I can't see nothing
See
yet.
it?
No. Not yet. What? No, I'm recording. Yeah. It doesn't look good. Or is it? Or is it?
No, it's gone. It's gone, it's gone. It's gone. Miss David.
No, it hasn't. No, it hasn't finished yet. Yeah, well. What's this one?
I've got a feeling it's chasing butterflies, but it's still butterflies,
It's a fountain, I think.
Summer starlight.
Oh,
It's summer.
It's yours. Come on, it's yours.
Yeah.
Rainbow dust. Ready?
Eva's recording it as well.
Good.
Do you want to go get that last one? Oh, well, that's the last one.
No,
Get the
no,
last
it's
one.
Grand finale.
No, there's one more then, grand finale. Is there one more? Little round. Yeah, that one there. Pass me that one. Yeah, that's. Yeah, there's a big one in there. Yeah, that's the last one. That's the grand finale.
That's not a grand finale.
No, not this in. This is a starbuster.
That's what I chose. Look at the fire. Look at the fire. The fire's there.
Where's Harry?
No, because I'm recording. So.
Go home.
Is it Harry and Jess? Is it?
Yeah, shout them. Just shout them.
Oh my god, that scared me. That scares me. Yeah. Yeah.
Every needs to come in, did you say?
I'm gonna put it in the middle. So it's not that big.
What's going on this year? Last year the world.
I know.
Bet this now at week. Yeah, I do.
Because then people can actually stay up late.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's crazy. Got nothing on. Grand finale's on. Grand finale's on.
Opposite.
Oh look.
On that side.
Alright, I'm going to stand here because I don't want to die. So, yeah. Stand here because I don't want to die. No, it's going on off now.
No, they're watching out window.
Don't like it yet. Are you ringing him? Have I inquest
I'm on my way. New friends and new places to see. Tell everybody I'm on my way. New friends and new places to see. Tell everybody I'm on my way. New friends and new places to see. I actually don't want to die and this looks horrifying. So I'm just gonna go in this bit right here. Hurry! They're coming! They're coming!
They're coming. Oh, Harris. Harris.
Yeah. I'm actually scared.
Are we ready? Or... Are you ready, Evie? You got it on camera?
Yep. He's coming down now.
Wait, no. How's your office? I'm here.
Are my shoes down here?
Grand finale.
Are my shoes down here?
Here we go!